here at Dover Western Docks on behalf of Walker Construction. Walker Construction are working here for McLaughlin and Harvey doing the surface water lift. So what we're currently working on is a 15-metre deep cofferdam with 5 levels of frame. We actually tendered this job for a different contractor, and because of our product ranges, namely the Supershaft Plus and the SBS 600, which we can use a few different end units, we're actually able to provide a more efficient solution than our competitor.
Mabey got involved to obviously undertake the design of the props, which was very difficult because obviously we've got to try and build the wet well in sequence with the props, and all the engineering equipment that goes inside the cofferdam has been cleverly designed.
There was a point during the project where they actually hit chalk at a much shallower depth, so the whole wall design needed to change, and it actually dropped the 6th level of frame that was initially designed, so it became a 5-frame solution. During this process, some of the frame loadings changed too, so there was a process of needing to update that accordingly. With an excavation like this, there's a significant period of time between the installation of each frame. So what we actually did on this was we looked at just-in-time deliveries such that each frame was delivered a couple of days prior to installation. We've used some special Supershaft Plus corner brackets which allow us to flip the hydraulic units and put 2 end-to-end in the corners, as well as an internal corner allowing us to do an internal 90-degree angle.
Also, they've been monitoring the props because obviously we've got constant tides which are rising and falling some 5 metres.
On this job we've monitored the piles, so what we've done is we've provided tilt sensors that are giving readings such to confirm the performance of the frames and the deflections of the excavation. We've also got the ability to prop load monitor the props themselves, whether it's through strain gauges, the use of live pin, which is a proprietary monitoring option we've got for prop loads up to 350 tonnes, or we can also use pressure sensors. These are products that are compatible with our Insight portal, which is our 24/7 live monitoring portal, which gives contractors the live data and the ability to access that wherever they are in the world.
Mabey designed the props in the correct places for us to be able to build our engineering sequence and remove their props at the same time to allow us to come up with a designed exit plan, which obviously is crucial with the safety of removing all the temporary works. The support I've had from Mabey has been really, really good. They're always on the end of the phone, and I can't thank them enough for obviously supporting us to deliver this project.
From our perspective, we feel like the job's gone fantastically well. The design has been fantastic, and the feedback to date that we've had from Walker has been good.
When we were first engaged with several other contractors, we felt that Mabey was by far the better contractor, so it's definitely been the correct choice to choose Mabey to undertake our project.